Yes, today's class is on calendar design, right? In CorelDRAW, we design calendar. So let us check that. So create new document. So take any size. Here I'm taking the A4 size, right? A4 size calendar, and because this will prepare. So this is for printing target we are using. So use the color mode is CMYK, right? And the resolution must be a 300, right? Say okay. Yeah, and this is my page. So here you have to create a calendar. First here, so in menu bar, click on the tools, right? Here find a last one. This is macros, right? So on macros and create his run macro. Click on this run macro. This is your run macro window is open, and from macros in, so what are the macros inside are, so these are the macros, right? File converter, global macros. So these are, from this you can find this calendar wizard. So calendar wizard, right? So click on that. After clicking on that, press and run. See, this is Oberon calendar wizard, right? Version 3.0. So in this we have to choose options. The year is 2021, right? So here press all for all months, right? So January to December we are using, and language must be suppose in English, or otherwise you can choose any language here. So we are choosing that international language, English, or suppose you can choose a new any language in this. Suppose close, and here week starts on Sunday. Suppose the week, if you want to start from Sunday, you can give Sunday, or otherwise Monday also, right? Yes. And suppose here holidays, depend holidays for the current language. Suppose here, what are the holidays you want? Suppose if you have a local festival is there, regional festivals. In January, suppose you have Sankranti. So choose the Sankranti and list out the day. Suppose give 13th, right? Suppose giving 13th, right? And suppose give the name. If you want, give any name. Suppose Bogi. Bogi, right? Add. So you add it here, right? And again you can choose another. You choose here 14, right? And here it is Sankranti. Sankranti, right? And add this one. So again here one more is 15th, and this is Kanuma. Kanuma, add, right? So this is, and you close this. Okay. So here in January, in your list those things will add. And next year the month, layout month, large, or otherwise you choose these options. Yeah, divide into 4 rows and 3 items. So it will be 3 into 4, 12, right? You can decide which one want. So here I am planning large only, right? This is, and if you observe here, page layout, a large header. Suppose see, the header means this is, right, the large header, and the text is suppose in black. It is showing in a default. If you want to change this, you can change. The back is white. If you want, you can change this also. And border, suppose above, below, right and left, right? So the 4 sides I want border, and show here, see here, show here, and height, you choose the height. Suppose see, this is the height, but in default I'm giving that as it isly. Here highlight Sundays. Suppose see, observe here, highlight Sunday must be, right? And suppose font 15.5, right? So here you click here and give, instead of that 16, say OK, right? And then here a large body, right? So here a large body, and this is a large head, and choose the colors here. Suppose orientation horizontal or vertical. See that it is changing that layout, but I want horizontal only. And font, this is the font, the default font. I'm not changing anything. And text position, top right. So here in this box, the text is in right side, right? So instead of that, you can change left and bottom right. So I'm giving center. Yeah, this is center. And suppose a moon paces, right? And suppose a number boxes. Click this box to show boxes around day numbers, right? I'm not giving that. Moon pages here, right? And this is highlights Sundays. Highlight this Sunday, and here highlight holidays. Should be highlight that, and font is that much only, and color is red I'm taking, right? And odd holiday text. So holiday text you should add. See, I gave 13, 14, 15, Bogi, Sankranti and Kanuma, right? So I'm adding that. And suppose here the page layout, right? I click here. See the margins here. The margin, suppose I'm pressing this arrow. See, it is going down, right? So instead of that, it should be a 10 only. But I want right bottom. So bottom, I want this in the bottom. Suppose, yeah, there. Yes, not this. Yes, units mm it is showing. You can change in points also. And suppose adjust fonts, and suppose right and bottom here. Suppose if I take this, yeah, it is increasing. I want in 10 only, and check this, it is going that side. The top, yeah, it is going this side. I want down. Yes, this is because half of the page I want calendar, and the remaining half I want to place images here, right? So 140, and here instead of 140 I want to give 130, right? 130, yeah. So good, and here click on the generate. Just click on the generate page 1 to 12 here, right? So here it is generating. So finished generating the calendar, say OK, right? And this, now you can close this. See, this is your calendar, and check here the number wise. So this is the first one: January, February, March, April, May, June, yeah, July, August, September, October, November, December, right? So this is November and December. Yeah, come to the first page. Yes, here I want to give some images. So already I downloaded few images. Here I want to place them, right? So from file, import, right? So these are the images I want to use. Suppose this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not, yeah, okay, I'll use this. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Instead of this, I want to use other one. File, import, from desktop. So here for calendar, yes, these are. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? So these are the 12. Select them and import. So here it is 1, and second page. Yeah, suppose here all images I'll place here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, 12 images. So these are very small, right? So make it bit big side. So this is very big, make it small. Keep this side. Keep this side. So this also keep side, and this keep side. So here how many? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? Yes. This is the January. Here I want to place one beautiful image here. I'm resizing this and I'm placing here, right? So click this one, or otherwise I'll place this one, right? So this is my image. This is good. And then for the second page I want to use and this one, so Control X, cut that and come to the second page. So here Control V, so paste, so get this image here and resize this. Yes, make it bit bigger. Yes, yes, perfect. Then another picture, suppose here I'm taking this one, so Control X and come to third page. Here it is March, Control V, right? So you drag here and resize this and keep this here, right? And again resize. Okay. Right? Okay. Then next you select this one, suppose this one, Control X and click on page 4. This is April. Control V and drag here and select this and keep this here, right? Here it is. Okay. Okay, beautiful. Then select this one, Control X and select the fifth page and Control V and get this here and resize this and place here. So you can resize this. Right. Okay, so very nice. And then now select this one, Control X and come to a sixth page and Control V and drag this here and resize this and get here and place that area, because the actually I want to place the same size, because here the images are not same. You have to choose those images, the same size images, but here roughly I'm placing. Yes, good. Next, after 7, just click here, right? Yes, here, Where is this? Yes, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, now here it is 7, and yeah, at 6th I place. Now we have to prepare for the 7th. So take this one, Control X, right, and click on the page 7 and Control V and resize this and keep this here, right, and resize this and place it properly. Right, this you can exactly place at that right place. Yes, then after that select this one, Control X. Now we want to place at page 8. We come here and Control V and resize this and place here, right? Here it is. Just bit resize. Yes, you can move it up, right, and this you can move left side. Okay. Yes. Now come to this one, Control X, and come to 9th page. Here Control V and move here. Yes, you can resize this and place here, place here. You can extend, right? Yes, this is. And next I want to place this one, Control X, and check with 10, page 10. Come here and Control V and resize this and place it here, right? Okay. Then again after 10, that's 11 and 12, right? So 10 is over. I'm planning for 11. So you click this one, Control X, and come to 11th page here. Control V, we drag it here and place, right? Okay. Very nice, right? Then again the next one, the last, Control X, click here and come to 12th page, Control V and move this here, right, with hand tool and use pick tool here to resize this one and place here. So this is perfect, right? Very nice. So here I'm using Control S to save this one. On desktop I'm saving this calendar. Calendar design. Save. Yeah, see, in Object Manager so many layers. For 12 pages 12 layers created, right? And then come to first page. Right here I'm planning suppose outline here, right? So this is the outline actually, and here I want to give outline, suppose a 10 outline I'm giving right? And that too here, so I want to give suppose a red line. Yeah, instead of this red can be black only, right? But here also I'm giving that same, I'm giving a 10, and first it is there, second also there, and third I'm giving that same outline and I'm giving it a 10 and give this for all. If you like outline you can give, or otherwise no need to give, it is not compulsory, right? Suppose here and for 6 right, and for 7 10, and here also I'm giving. Double click on that box, so around your page you will get the border, and you give the size, the thickness of the border you can increase. Yeah, here 10, and this is October. Yeah, here October is over, and for November I give this outline. Right, these are right. Now come to the first page. Right, now if you save this, yeah, Control S, right, and I'm saving. First I want to export in PDF because it is calendars. I want 12 pages, right? So it is already in PDF only, right? And on desktop and export, so it is exporting right? So exported. Now you can check this, the design, the final design of the calendar, and check the size, image size, right? And see, these are your pages. Wow, beautiful. See, in January we added our the festivals, local festivals in January month, the 13th, right? And suppose 14th and 15th. So Bogi, and these are Purnima Amavasya. This is Bogi, and holidays mentioned in a red color, right? So 13, 14 and 15. So beautiful. This is first page, and suppose second page. Yes, very nice. And this is also very good. March, and suppose this is April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Suppose we check that today's date. So this is what? June. And this is Saturday, right? Yeah. And date is 5. So June, Saturday, and today the date is 5th. So this is calendar, right? So this way you can create calendar in CorelDRAW. So you also try with different images and compose nicely. And if you want, you can fill colors, background colors also, backside, right? So, and click this, yes. So this is the way to design calendar in CorelDRAW, right? Thank you.